Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl from the warm heart of Africa called Malawi. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that we can grow this community. It's another beautiful day today. I want you to join me. I'm going to cook Nsima today. In other countries they call it shima, others call it ugali, but we call it Nsima here in Malawi. I want to show you some step by step. The first step is to put water in a pot according to the size of the people who are going to eat the Nsima. Then you have to take your pot, put it on the hot, is it a cooker or mpaula, whatever it is, you have to put it on the high heat so that the water should be warm a little bit. As you can see, I've filled my pot to the half full because this pot it can save about 3 people. We are 3 people in this family. Let's wait for the water to get warm a little bit. I don't like the color of my kitchen, but you know it's a rented house and the owner doesn't want us to change the paint. So what can I do? Yeah, I just have to like it for now until I find another house. Okay, back to my video. The water, as you can see, the water, it's a little bit warm. I taste it using my hand. Yes. Yes, we are tough people like that. We taste hot water on our hands. Don't try it. You get burnt. Okay, I can see that my water is a little bit warm, so I'm adding flour to it. You have to add slowly by slowly to the water. Mix it slowly by slowly until you see the texture of the water turning into porridge. When it turns into porridge, when it is able to boil, you can leave it. As you can see, I'm still adding a little bit of flour because I can see the texture isn't good for it to boil. Yeah, after that I cover it so that it can boil, fast, a little bit faster. Yeah, and I have to wait for it for about 15 minutes. You know, this flour is a little bit different from the other flour. The other flour is a little bit wider and its process is very different from this one. This one is a little bit darker. It's just the maize that has been pounded straight, whereby the other flour, the process is just, just complicated. But that white flour is the one that we like in this house. My husband likes the white flour. He doesn't like the ngaiwa. He says the ngaiwa chooses relish. Doesn't taste good with other relish. That's according to him anyway. Yeah, another day we'll cook Nsima ya ufawoyela. Yeah, my kitchen is just a little bit, small, and I improvised it. I turned the top of the fridge into a saving area. I brought a table so that sometimes I save my food on the table, using the table. Just improvising. I live in the very remotest area of Blantyre slums. Yeah, as you can see, guys, my porridge has boiled for about 15 minutes. So I'll start pounding. You gotta have a little bit of strength to pound this nsima, shima, ugali, because it requires some strength to pound it. As you can see, I'm pounding. You know, I'm strong. My hands is very strong. Yeah, guys, I'm pounding it. You have to pound it fast so that it shouldn't have some lumps. Yeah, welcome. This tastes good with, dry fish, and sometimes dry fish, sometimes meat, dry meat. I mean meat without soup. According to me, of course. After pounding for about 10 minutes, you can see that the flour, the porridge has turned into something thick, but it has no lumps. It is smooth. I can now save it. As you can see, I'm saving it to my family. We have to enjoy it. We enjoy this meal with matemba, dry fish. But my daughter doesn't like gaiwa, this kind of flour, this kind of sima. I don't know what will happen to do today. Thank you guys for watching. Let me have my lunch, and until next time, it's a goodbye.